So here is the best AI text-to-video generator tutorial. In this video, we will be using InVideo AI, which lets you turn text into videos automatically, and is great for creators who want to make videos fast without editing experience. If you want to follow along with this tutorial step by step, click on the link below to try out InVideo AI for free and start generating videos right now. So as you can see, we're currently in the InVideo website, and on the top here, you will get to see all of these sections. Let's first check out the pricing section. This is where you will be able to view all of their pricing plans, starting with Plus, Max, Generative, and Team. You can also check between monthly and yearly plans. Now, let's go back to the main screen and click on Sign Up on the top right. If you already have an account, you can click on Login. So here, you can sign up using your details or continue with Google or Apple account. I will select Google and choose my account. Then just click on Continue and we're good to go. Just give it some time to load up and we will be taken to the main dashboard of InVideo. And this is what you will see. You get this prompt box right in the middle. And on the top here, you can see we're currently using V4. You can click on it and choose between different models available, such as V1, V2, V3, and the latest V4. And if you click on this AI Twins option, you will get to see options to create Pro Avatar, Free Avatar, and even a voice clone. And after clicking on it, it gives us all the instructions we need to follow, and you can click on Choose Files in order to browse files on your device. Now going back, on the bottom here, you will get to see all of these sections like Create Short Video, InVideo Vision, Make Explainer Video, and more. For shorts, just fill in the details and click on Proceed. And it's the same for Explainer Video as well. And if you click on Use My Script, you can put in your own customized script, choose the platform and settings, then click on Proceed. We even have workflows. Over here, you can see all of these templates that you can choose from. And lastly, we have Clone Myself. This is the feature you can use to create a digital avatar of yourself. So go through these instructions and make sure to watch the guide before creating your avatar. For now, let's head back and check out what we have down here. If you go over to Agents and Models, you will get to see all the AI agents and generative models available on InVideo. Then we have Explore. If you go over to Explore, you will get to see all the trends and content created using InVideo, and you can get ideas and inspirations from these. So for now, let's head back to the AI video section from the bottom. And on the prompt box, I will paste in a prompt that I've copied earlier. Make sure to give it as much detail as possible and then click on Generate My Video. As soon as you click this button, InVideo will start working on the video. After that, you will get to see this box. Here, you can select the duration for your video. Then, you can choose the platform for which you're creating this video and then the media type. You can go through these options and choose the one that you want. And on the bottom here, you have more options. Once done, just click on Generate. And as you can see, our video is now being generated. You will get to see the percentage of how much of it is done. So give it some time to load up. So once the video is ready, you can click on the play button in order to view it. So let's play it and check it out. And as you can see, the video is ready, complete with B-rolls and audio. It even has subtitles added right off the bat. But since we're using the free plan, it has watermarks on it. So after checking out the video, let's go ahead and pause it. On the bottom here, you will get to see some more options. For example, this one here is to give feedback to InVideo. This is an optional task. And then we can check the variations. After that, you can check the version of this video. And if we click on Edit and Download, we will be taken to the page from where we can start editing this video. All you need to do is click on this prompt box and type in your command to edit. So I'll go ahead and type in a prompt as an example. For this one, I will go with Change Subtitles to highlight each word as it's spoken. This way, you can type in any instruction that you want, and that too in conversational language. Once done, just click on this blue button. It will then start processing and making the changes. And once it's finished up, you can go ahead and play the video. And as you can see, the subtitles are highlighted exactly as we've described it. This way, you can keep making multiple edits for different parts of your video. So for now, let's give it another instruction to make the background music louder. So I will go ahead and type in my prompt. Once done, let's press the blue button or just press enter. After that, it will start making the changes. Now, just play the video once again in order to check out the changes. And you will notice that the background music is much louder than before. If you don't like the result, you can click on the undo option on the bottom here. And if you play it again, you will notice that the change has been undone. This way, you can redo or undo any changes right after making it. You can also instruct it to change the language as well. So as an example, I will ask it to change the language to French, then run the command once again. And once it's done, we can just play the video to check out the new language. And as you can see, it's now in perfect French, even the subtitles. This way, you get so much flexibility while using InVideo AI for creating videos. That too, by only using prompts in natural conversational language. Now, on the bottom here, if you click on the Edit button, you can choose between any of these options like Media, Music, Script. For example, if you go to Media, we can check out the different section of the video scene by scene. And if you click on it, only that part will be selected. And these are all stock clips. So if you want, you can change them individually or replace them with uploaded media, stock media, or generative media. You can click on Upload Media and choose any file from your device. But for now, let's go with stock media. Here, just type in what you want and all the relevant content will pop up below. From here, just click on whichever clip you want to replace the previous one with. For example, let's go with this one. And as you can see, the previous clip has been replaced by this new one. Then just click on Apply and click on Save Changes. After that, it will start applying your change, and if you play the video, you will notice that the old clip has been replaced by the new one you just selected. So just play it to check it out. Now, let's head over to the Edit section once again, and this time we will go with Script. And as you can see, the entire script for our video is visible here. If you click on the narrator option on any section, you can change the narrator if you want. You can also change the speed for each line individually. After that, you can select any part of the text and change it to whatever you want. Once done, just click on Save Changes and it will be added onto your video. If you click on Download on the bottom, you will get to see all of these download settings that you can choose from, such as stock watermark or no watermark, InVideo AI branding, and download resolution. After that, just click Continue and your video will start downloading onto your device. So as you can see, it's now ready to download. Just click on Download and the video will start downloading. And that's it. This is the best AI text-to-video generator available on the market right now.